welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified to my new upload video, and also give me a big thumbs up and comment below sections. And if you're returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really appreciate that you're still watching my video. And always comment below, guys. I always check my message, and so I can check also on your channel. So into this video is unboxing video. Yes, guys, it's been a while I didn't do a unboxing video of Louis Vuitton. I don't know why. Maybe because there's a things that I want to buy first before anything else, and you know, my two favorite bag, it's been purchased and finally it's on my hand. And yeah, and I was talking, let's talk about this bag before I open this one. And yeah, this particular item is on my waiting list for a few months now. I'm not mistaken, since they come out with this one. And yeah, I've been on the waiting list. I contact on Louis Vuitton customer service. I asked them if I on the waiting list, which is I did finally. And I, to be honest with you, I forgot about this item until I get an email from them that the item that my waiting list has available now. And just give me just call them so they can send me the link of the payment, which is I did. And yes, it's arrived yesterday, and finally I able to film it today. I already turned the paper on my info. Okay, sometimes I forgot. So there she is. Hold on, guys, because I think it's upside down. There she is. Surprised that it comes with the ribbons. Some people doesn't receive the item, didn't do in a ribbon. I don't know why. Maybe because of this situation right now. So look at these beautiful bags. I will always adore their boxes anyway. So this one, it comes with my receipt and return label, which is good because, by the way, this item also is my first time seeing it. I never seen in store as well because they don't have any stock. And well, last time I think I went to store is they were surprised that they don't available in store. Maybe because this one also is hard to get, and we'll see, guys. This is my also first impression of this item. So let's unbox this now. Remove the ribbon, and they give me this if you give it to someone, you can write in like a greetings or a birthday note, which is nice. So are you guys ready? Okay, guys, this is, let me fix it because it's, I guess you know what it is. So the box is actually comes like this. It has this, I don't know if it's weird. Anyway, so guys, this is the nano knees. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, look at this. They sent me this dent in here. It's like it dent, maybe because the way they wrap it. Oh no. So I will make sure to check everything is nice, because every time I'm order from them, they give me like a defect or something. Well, this one is already defect. Look at that. The dent of this item is just so obvious right here. I don't know if I can stuck up with a cloth or something, it will, you know, back to where it was. I don't know what happened with this, but see, I wish, to be honest with you, I wish they have the mirror band of this Nice Nano, because I like the mirror band. I don't know why. I love monogram, to be honest, but the only problem for me is the vachetta or vaqueta over here. I don't like to turn into patena. So anyway, I don't mind, but we will see. This thing, it has made in a Louis Vuitton Paris, Paris, or wherever called pronounce that one. So guys, every time I order something, I always check if it's a good condition. Well, the zipper is, it's quite, I don't know if it's really hard to open this. And come with this one. The inside is a leather, and it's made in Italy. Oh, I wish it's made in France, but it's good. I don't mind anyway. The inside, it's like puffiness over here. I don't know why. Even the inside as well. Let me remove that, guys. So they have like a air inside of this. I wish it was like a, like, you know, it has this to stiffen in the bottom, so at least when you put something in it, it will be not, you know, sagging. So this is my iPhone case. Let's see if it's fit in here. Really, it's actually fit. I was surprised. So that is the, what's the name, the serial code. It's PL, I think, I don't know how to read the serial code of Louis Vuitton. I don't know if it's 20 is a year. And so yeah, guys, it's so, oh my god, look, what do you think, guys? It's so dent and it's so tiny. Look, it's so tiny. Let me do this. This one is on, I have this waiting list for over 2 months. I think when it come out, this one, I called them right away. So the leather is a light canvas. I wish it's not, it's, maybe the Louis Vuitton making a new different color of this. Guys, I am really struggle to close this too. I mean, it's nice also that you can have this one for this price. What do you think, guys? Is it worth it? I don't know. And always give me a defect. Well, just like a dent, but I wish it's perfect. Smells leather, and the handle is good. It's, you know, just holding like that. It's so stinky cute. Oh my god, I really love, I love it. The only problem is this one over here. Are you guys experienced of this? If you have one, please let me know if it's normal in here, that the dent of this back of this knees, it's normal, or I don't know. I know people wanted this and they having on waiting list, is because when I called on that customer service, there's so many people on the waiting list of this. And this is a shiny gold hardware that it looks like it's been, I don't know if it's scratch up or I don't know, guys, if Louis Vuitton making a good quality of a zipper. I don't know. That's why maybe it's been a long time for me not looking buying from them, because from the key pouch they always have a problem. So it looks beautiful. I mean, it looks good condition, it looks pristine. It just, the only problem is this one over here, as you know, as you can see. So there you go, guys. That's it for my unboxing of this little mini or nano niece. yeah, I hope you like it. And if you like this content, please consider subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell. And again, thank you so much for watching. I see you on my next video. Bye.